Managing inventory in your Shopify store is essential to ensure product availability and avoid overselling. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and navigating to Products Inventory. Here, you can view stock levels, update quantities, and track inventory for each product or variant. Enable inventory tracking for your products by checking the Track Quantity option in each product settings. This allows Shopify to automatically adjust stock levels when orders are placed or items are restocked. You can also set low stock alerts to get notified when inventory is running low, helping you reorder on time. For stores with multiple locations or warehouses, Shopify allows you to assign and manage inventory per location. Go to Settings, Locations to configure this. If you manage inventory externally, such as through dropshipping apps or third-party fulfillment centers, ensure proper integration so inventory updates sync automatically. Use the Inventory Adjustment tool to add or subtract stock manually, and review the inventory reports for insights on best-selling items, low stock, and inventory turnover. Regularly auditing your inventory and using automated tools within Shopify helps prevent errors and improves efficiency. Staying organized ensures a smoother shopping experience for your customers.